Welcome back to Rolling Legends. Today, we're diving into something that's built like a tank, drives like a beast, and turns every street into a battlefield. It's the return of an icon at the 2026 Hummer H1. That's right, GM has resurrected the legend, but this time, it's smarter, cleaner, and somehow even more aggressive. The 2026 H1 isn't just a modern reboot, it's a full-on reimagining of what a military-grade off-roader can be in the electric era. Built on a reinforced version of GM's Altium platform, the H1 combines raw power with futuristic tech, and yes, it's fully electric. Under the hood, or rather, under the body, we're looking at a tri-motor setup pushing over 1,100 horsepower and north of 11,000 pound-feet of torque. That's not a typo. It can launch this beast from 0 to 60 in just under 4 seconds. For a truck that weighs close to 9,000 pounds, that's borderline insane. But don't think for a second that the new H1 forgot its roots. This thing is still built to conquer. It comes with 18 inches of ground clearance, underbody armor, and a water-fording depth of 40 inches. It has crab walk mode, adaptive air suspension, and full off-road mapping with real-time feedback. This isn't a grocery getter, it's a mountain-munching monster. Inside, the H1 balances luxury and utility. You'll find rugged textures, aircraft-style switches, and a 15-inch center display with off-road telemetry, camera feeds, and customizable drive modes. There's seating for 5, but the vibe is all mission-ready. It's not just about looking cool up, it's about being unstoppable. And let's talk looks. The 2026 H1 doesn't try to be subtle. With wide fender flares, exposed bolts, aggressive LED lighting, and a stance that screams apocalypse ready, this thing owns the road before it even moves. It's not a throwback, it's a statement. Of course, it won't come cheap. Starting around $160,000, it's aimed at enthusiasts, collectors, and those who want the baddest ever on the planet. But if you've been waiting for a vehicle that combines military-grade strength, electric speed, and old-school legend status, the H1 is it. This has been Rolling Legends. Smash that like button, subscribe for more beasts like this, and let us know, would you drive the 2026 Hummer H1 or is it just too much? See you in the next one.